Hello students, this is Mr. Perez. We're going to be doing lesson 44 on our phonics program. Today we're going to be having a new increment which includes compound words. Echo these words and tell me what they all have in common. Hand shake, wood pile, shell fish. That's right. They're called compound words because they're two words combined into one word. Can anyone tell me where to divide the two words in this word? Hand shake. That's right, between the D and the S. Those two words will make one word. Handshake. Let's go ahead and do a division line right here. Can you see the difference there? All right. Now, let's go ahead and code this word. We're going to code this word. We're going to look at the first vowel. We're going to code it with a breathe. At the first vowel, it's going to be hand. Okay. Then we're going to make sure we look at the division line, and the rest of the word is going to say shake. That's all we do to this particular section. Next, we're going to look at the digraph. Okay, those are two letters that make a sound. And in this situation, we're going to have the SH sound. All right, next we're going to look at the next vowel. And we're going to notice that this particular vowel, A, makes it sound its name, like in the alphabet. Shay, shay, A. Okay, shake is a long macron sign. Long sound, long vowel. Now recall, we've been studying silent letters. So in this situation, at the end, can you hear the last letter? Hand, shake. Can you hear the E? No, you can't. So we're going to go ahead and cross it out. So this word is hand shake, composed of two separate words into one word. Okay. Now let's take a look at the next word. Wood pile. Can you see the two words? Wood and pile. All right, we're going to go ahead and divide these two words right between the D and the P. Can you see that? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and code this. Do you remember that digraph that contains two of the same letters? Can you see them? That's right. There are the two O's here. So we're going to go ahead and underline that. Okay. Now this one has an accent here. See if you can figure out where it goes. Wood pile. That's right. It goes right behind the letter D. There's your accent mark. All right, let's continue to the second part, pile. Our first vowel, pile, I. It sounds like if it's making its name in the alphabet. We're going to be using a macron in this vowel sound here. Can you hear it? Pile, pile. All right, now let's take a look at the whole word. Wood pile. Can you hear the last letter E? No, you can't. So that's a silent E. We'll go ahead and code it out, cross it out, because it's a silent E. Are you able to see that? Good job. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to the next word. Shell fish. Can you see the two words? Shell and fish making one word. Are you able to see the division line section? That's right. We're going to put it between the second L and the F, making it shellfish. All right? How we code this word? First, we see a diagram, SH. Remember? Sh, sh. Okay, we're going to go ahead and underline those two letters, making it a diagram. Now let's go to the next vowel, which is the E. Can you hear the sound it makes? Eh, she, eh. Does it sound like if it's in the alphabet? Letter E? Would it be shield fish? No. Okay, it's going to be shellfish. All right, which one sounds better? Eh or E? Eh. So we're going to use that as a short, brief, short mark there. Shell fish. We have our divisionary line in between both words. Okay. Don't forget though, we're missing one little point here. Is there an accent in this word? Yes, there is. Shell. Right after the second letter L. I'm going to make an apostrophe right there. All right, let's go to the second word. Fish. Next vowel would be I. Is it shellfish or shellfish? Does it make it sound its name like in the alphabet? I, fish? Or does it make it give the sound like a short sound? E, fish. That's right. We're going to put a brief over that vowel. Now, one last part here. We have a final digraph. Can you see it? That's right. We're going to finish with the SH. Shellfish. All right, students, today we're going to continue with spelling sound review. It's going to be lesson 44. We're going to do some spelling. I'm going to go ahead and mention some sounds for you, and you're going to write them down on the spelling sound review section. Go ahead and put your finger on number 1. The first sound is going to be l. Second sound is going to be s. Third sound's a combination, r. Fourth, another combination, Number 5, oo. Number 6, the. Number 7, ooh. Number 8, e. Number 9, qua. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and go to the review words. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pronounce them, and you're going to try and spell them out. Number 10, the word's going to be class. Number 11, cork. Number 12, sick. 13 through 15 are going to be sight words. Those are words that you are supposed to be practicing continuously so you can learn them by sight. The first one's going to be put. 14, pull. 15, full. Okay. Now for number 16, we're going to be working in making okay, with this one, before we continue on this one, Who can remember how we show a dialogue when we're writing? That's right. We use quotation marks. Who remembers what punctuation we put right before quotation marks? That's right, a comma. But sometimes the dialogue comes first and then we tell who was speaking. When this happens, we put a comma just inside the final quotation marks. Who remembers what it means when a word has an apostrophe in it? That's right, it shows possession. Now, listen to this sentence. Tell me where the bundle of wood is. Said Tat's sister. All right, now you're going to write it in this section here. All right, make sure you write all the things you know about a good sentence, a complete sentence. The sentence again is, tell me where the bundle of wood is, said Tat's sister. All right, students, you can use this to check your work, see how you did. Hopefully you did real well. Okay, good luck. We'll see you in the next one. All right, students, now we're going to work a little bit on making compound words. Compound words. Remember, that's two words combined into one to make one different word. Okay? Use the words in the box to make compound words. Then draw lines from the pictures to the matching words. Okay? Let's take a look at this. In the box, we have the words back, tub, book, mark, cart, and stick. Over here, we have the words cook, horse, bath, lip, book, and post. Remember, this is the worksheet, not the homework sheet. All right? Go ahead and take a little bit of time. Let's see if you can get the words correctly. All right, students, let's see what you got. Let's take a look at the first word in the box. It's back. That one goes together with horse, making the word horse back. Number 2, tub. Okay, that word goes together with bath. Bath, tub. Yep, mistake there. Next one, we have book. Okay, this one looks good with cook, book. All right. Next one is take a look at mark. Okay, next this goes really good with book, making it a book, mark. Next one is card. Card, post, card. And the last one, lipstick. Okay, we'll go ahead and match that to that. Bookmark, postcard, okay. And I believe we have all of them. Now let's take a look at the pictures here. This is a bathtub, so let's match that one to that one. Okay, this is gonna be a book. There's a book and there's a mark, so it's bookmark. Okay, and the last one for the ladies, you have your lipstick. Okay. All right, students, the next section in our worksheet is going to be about paragraphs. Does anyone know what a paragraph is? That's right. A paragraph is a group of sentences that deal with one main thought or give the words of one speaker. You have a paragraph today, right here. You read it just like you have been reading the sentences in your worksheets. I'm going to go ahead and read it to you, show you how it's done, and then we're going to answer the questions carefully. Are you ready? Here we go. Corn on the cob comes from a grass plant, period. It is picked from a big green plant, period. The plant stem is hard, comma, like bamboo, period. The kernel is the seed that is planted to make more corn, period. There is dent corn, comma, flint corn, comma, sweet corn, comma, popcorn, comma, and wax corn, period. Most kids like popcorn best, exclamation point. All right, now let's take a look at the question. So number 7, what kind of plant does corn grow from? Okay, we're going to look at this. Corn on the cob comes from a grass plant. Circle that. That's going to be a grass plant. Okay. Question number 8. What is the plant stem like? We're going to look over here. The plant stem is hard like bamboo. Underline that. We're going to put this. Bamboo. Number 9. What part of the corn is the seed? All right. The seed would be, the kernel is the seed. Kernel is the seed. So we're going to put kernel on number 9. What kind of corn do most kids like best? Question mark. Most kids like popcorn best. And we're done with that. Go ahead and turn the page. You're going to look at the upper left corner. It says homework. And you're going to be doing that at home. Ask your parents to check your work.